Hey y'all, I am the Backwoods Modeler. Welcome to my new workshop. I'm going to slowly pan out here and back off. Now y'all got to cut me a little credit here. I lost a bunch of footage. I've been working on this place now for about 2 months. On and off. I have a regular job. I actually have to work. This started out as a porch on the back of a house that we bought, and this has turned into my new workshop. Still a little dark in here. You gotta give me time here. I got more lights coming. But there is my wall here. It's the wall I'm gonna hang a bunch of my die cast and stuff on. That's gonna be my new work table. It's my new chair. I had to have a chair before I did anything else. Man's got to have a place to sit and relax. There's going to be another table back here, but that's in the future. It's under this here old tailgate. That old tailgate's off an old truck, and unfortunately that's all that's left of her. So I'm going to clean that old tailgate up. I think we're going to hang it on the wall back here. But anyway, we are going to start a new diorama here, y'all. I have 96 square feet of tabletop here. We are going to start on some stuff here soon. Let me back off here and show you what I got going. I got me a little mini fridge I had to build in there. Don't give me a hard time about my lumber, y'all. Again, I am the Backwoods Modeler, and we are doing this on a tight budget. So all this wood is all old reclaimed wood. It's all still good. I wouldn't build a house with it, but it's good enough for the benches that we're making with it. There's a lot of things that we're doing here. Got a lot of things in the works. As you can see, yes, we're doing things bass-ackwards here, y'all. And that is because we're doing things on a budget. You see I got a whole bunch of these LED lights. I got more coming. Yes, there's no insulation there. That's because I'm not a very good roofer, y'all. I got a leak. I'm going to have to call in a professional to fix that because I obviously can't figure it out. Same thing over here in the corner. I got another leak over here in the corner. I was not able to stop, so I got to call in a professional. So that's where we're at, y'all. This is my new workshop. This is why I have not posted a video in a while. Again, like I said earlier, I lost some footage, so let me explain what happened here. This back wall there, straight ahead, the black curtain, that's a curtain. There next to that used to be a set of sliding glass doors, and then next to that used to be 2 more windows. Well, I wanted a table there, so all that crap had to go. It turns out the bottom of that wall was completely rotted out anyway, so that is basically a brand new wall. We totally rebuilt, all insulated. Again, like I said, it's on a budget. I got a bunch of plywood for free. So that wall back there was put up in plywood. You can also see I'm putting plywood on my ceilings. Like I said, this is all reclaimed. I'm painting it. Once I paint it, like I said, you can see that wall's painted. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't know if you can really see it on film, but that's all plywood that I painted. Insulated the ceiling because this place was never insulated. What else have we done? Took out, there was 2 windows on this side. I took those out, filled them back in with some pegboard and some drywall. Left that window, left the window in the corner and the door. So, like I said, I got this table here. It's going to go against the wall back there by the ladder, and that's going to give me a table to do my cutting and drilling and everything. So, but that's where I've been, y'all. I haven't forgot about y'all. I'm trying to upgrade, try to do some better, bigger things. Sorry, y'all. My daggone camera cut off. So anyway, we're going to start a diorama here. Again, this is going to be on a tight budget, so I'm going to show you how to do things differently, very unorthodox, things that most people don't use, but you can use on a budget. Still looks good. We'll get into those things later. But again, this is going to be a very, very slow process. I'm going to slowly just start setting cars up here and there, deciding where I'm going to put what, and then we're going to go from there. I have a list of scenes that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to do a realistic river. This is not my first diorama. This will be my third one. This may be the biggest one so far. One of the ones that I did before, I had an actual running river instead of the fake water scenes that a lot of people set up. I'm not knocking anybody, don't get me wrong. I just like the look of real moving water. We're going to put a campground, I think, back in the corner back there with a small lake / pond. I've got a ton of campers we're going to put in there. So we're going to do a cemetery, construction / landscape company, some stores, this, that, and the other. I got plenty of room. Like I said, 96 square feet with Matchbox cars. I got plenty of room here. So there's 4 of them sitting there, and you can hardly see that there's that many from way across the room. But again, y'all, this is a slow process. I got a lot of stuff to do here, a lot of stuff to finish up. But we're going to start doing videos here, hopefully here real soon. So y'all bear with me. I'll see y'all later. Y'all come back. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and all that stuff. And y'all have a good day. And if I don't see you or do another video by Thanksgiving, y'all have a good turkey day. Bye now. Wait, don't go nowhere yet. If y'all are interested in seeing some of the progress that I made on this, I do have some footage. I'm going to add it to the end of this video. And if y'all are interested, stick around and watch it. Y'all have a good day now. Bye. It's going to be the new Backwoods Modeler workshop. As you can see, it's going to take a lot of work, but I am the man for the job. Maybe several walls connected to the back of a house, just a porch off the back of a house. We're going to turn this into something better than what it is. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we got all the drywall off the walls. You can see got the drywall, most of the drywall off the ceiling. Still got a little more to do. I just wanted to show you how crooked things here are. That is not an illusion. That is exactly how crooked this stuff is. So I can come over here and show you a little more. Yeah, see that? That is so freaking crooked. I don't know who built this place. And then got a little rot over here we need to address. Got a leak over here I need to work on. And then it came down the wall there. And then you see anything missing here? Oh wait, there's some. Why on earth would they only insulate the bottom half of this wall? That doesn't make any sense to me. But like I said, we got all the mold cut out, and we're going to try to save some of these walls. But since there's no insulation in them, they all had to come down. Don't mind my pretty pink shed out back. So, alright guys, that's where we're at so far. So we got several bags of drywall, all kinds of crap. And I mean crap. And a lot of it's cleaned up. And man, there was some coons in here. They must have been the size of dogs. Alright guys, I'll be back when we get a little more done. Bye.